Hello. What a pleasure to be here representing the EIS parents, and what a difference 1 year made. We were just watching videos from last year's Teachers' Day where all the teachers performed a flash mob. There's still time, by the way. But who knew when you were performing your flash mob last year that in a few months' time you would look at your students on a screen in little boxes, and you would look into our living rooms and kitchens and bedrooms. To be fair, once we were all in lockdown, we also looked into your bedrooms. We stopped that. And but you continued. You didn't just show up on screen. I watched some of you every day for months. You showed up, you did your best, and I want to thank you very much for all of that. There's another thing that changed, of course. We can't leave the country at the moment, and I know that this has impacted all of our families and also the teachers' families. I know you've missed birthdays, weddings, funerals, and again, you stayed with us and you don't just show up every day, but you do your best. Again, thank you for that as well. Yes, thank you. The third thing that is really different this year, we usually show our appreciation by giving gifts. And some of you will receive gifts, don't be afraid. But there was an idea by the teachers to donate this year some of your gifts for the homeroom teachers, for the teaching assistants, hello, and the specialty teachers to a special cause, the Blue Dragon Flooding Relief Fund. So thank you for this as well, and we will make sure that Blue Dragon receives your donations and you will get your thank yous. In fact, I thought it was very topical that Blue Dragon was chosen because Michael Brozovsky, who founded Blue Dragon, came to Hanoi, came to Vietnam as a teacher. And within a year, remember what a difference a year can make, he founded Blue Dragon, and it's been going for the last 17 years. So thank you for all you've been doing over this very special 2020, for not just showing up but doing your best. Thank you for your donations, and I wish all of us a wonderful next school year without any looking at boxes and screens. Thank you from all the parents. Thank you.